Did it ever cross your mind how humans ever came into existence? On the other hand, why do humans have to go through the process of senescence? Is aging inevitable? Science has discovered that all the perceptions about the dawn of time, including the concepts of time or space, were actually non-existent. There was only the presence of some sort of energy in the form of vibrating waves at the most primitive stage. From incessant vibrations, these waves of energy gradually expanded to a point where it exploded and cooled off to form the simplest elements, which were then drawn together by gravitational attraction to form our universe eventually. Quantum mechanics showed that every single thing in the universe was composed from energies vibrating in different frequencies. When the fluctuation became so high, they were forged into various elements such as sunlight, sound, and even the consciousness of the living being. On the other hand, lower frequencies developed into a variety of forms and substances, such as animals and plants. We as humans are closely related to the energies in the universe. Despite obscure from the naked eye, our daily activities such as talking, exercising, thinking, and even sleeping constantly consume energy. If these energies are not replenished in time, the mitochondria, the powerhouse of a cell in moniker, will continue to oxidize and causes us to age. As science advances, it has also been proven that energy could actually be converted. Science has enabled us to learn that when two energies with different frequencies met, the stronger one would affect the weaker to vibrate at similar frequency and form resonance. The discovery made by German physicist Winfried Otto Schumann on low-frequency electromagnetic waves produced from thunderstorms and lightnings have the wavelength which is equivalent to the circumference of the Earth. This low-frequency electromagnetic wave, which is also known as the Schumann wave, is about 7.83 Hz. And coincidentally is close reminiscence to the alpha and theta brainwaves of human. Hence, the conversion of the low-frequency energy condition in the electromagnetic field of the human body through energy resonance actually produces a healing property that has the therapeutic effect towards the human body. The miracle of the energy resonance can be harnessed and used on all levels of the human body. When applied on cellular level, free radicals accumulated in the human body can be converted into the highly beneficial negative ions. When applied on the human body physically, concentrated tumors mass can be turned into healthy tissues with lower density. On the cognitive level, negative input such as criticisms could be perceived as something of a positive connotation instead. A pessimistic attitude could even be turned into optimistic. Professor Max Planck, mentor to Albert Einstein, a Nobel Prize winner and the father of quantum theory, once published a theory E=hv, which heavily impacted the world of quantum science. He affirmed that the frequency and the energy of a quantum electromagnetic field are actually proportional, which means that when the vibration frequency is higher, the energy becomes stronger. After his successful 15 years research on the world-renowned village where the inhabitants will for their longevity, Dr. Igor Smirnov managed to develop the molecular resonance effect technology, MRET, which was adopted in the invention of Leya frequency modulator, the first home care health and wellness product in the world, which was patented in the US in February 2000 for its capability of changing the molecular structure of water and other types of liquid. Leya frequency modulator is a composition of overlapping energy vibrating in waveform. The resonance composed from the complex combination of frequencies interferes with each other, and those contact points create vibrations. The energy in waveform is able to emit as many as 6,000 strong low-frequency light wave vibrations without contact. The higher the frequency, the stronger the energy. This energy can quickly change the molecular structure of water, turning large molecular clusters into small, linear water molecules. We have finally achieved the 7.83 Hz magnetic field found in the famed 5 villages of human longevity. Leya frequency modulator produces similar frequencies from its unique vibration patterns, which could physically change the molecular structure of water and food to create active energy for biophysiological dietary empowerment and health conditioning. This intelligent yet almost surreal health management technology could practically change the world. The Leya frequency modulator is the first of its kind in the world, discerning itself from the rest in terms of its uniqueness, distinctiveness, and exceptionality of its technicality. The successful invention of this product and the underlying technology and have been duly patented. The most significant benefits are clearly reflected in the product's common application in daily life. The 3 key functions of Leya frequency modulator. Number 1. Energizes your food. The alteration of molecular structure of a food by the energy generated from the vibrations is able to transform ordinary food into food with higher nutritional values. This is able to sustain your energy level throughout the day and safeguard your health through 3 properly balanced and nutritionally excellent meals daily. Number 2. Safeguard your food for better consumption. By compounding the frequency of the vibration energy, the toxicity from harmful pesticides, hormones, or genetically modified food can be reduced by as much as 99.3%, as well as achieving a sterilization efficiency of as high as 84.42%. Number 3. Resolves long-standing health issues. The frequency from the compound biological vibration energy stimulates and activates the cells and thus improves the body's immunity. What is the electromagnetic wave frequency of your drinking water? In the early 1990s, Hungarian biologist Gabor Sommier discovered that deuterium-depleted water, DDW, had an extraordinary and even surreal effect on cancer prevention and treatment. Winner of the Nobel laureate in chemistry, Dr. Peter Agre, discovered that the minute molecules of the orderly and structured deuterium-depleted water could actually repair and even activate aquaporin, allowing cells to be quickly replenished with water. Another winner of the Nobel laureate, Dr. Alexis Carrel, expressed his views on water. Cells can never die. Only the fluid following inside the cell has the possibility of being desiccated. Ensure that fluid inside the cell is replenished in a timely manner and gets the nutrients that it needs. The water that has been treated by Leya frequency modulator is lab tested and certified by relevant authorities to be deuterium-depleted water with an electromagnetic wave frequency of 7.83 Hz. The 7.83 Hz deuterium-depleted water with small molecular clusters, also known as the cleaner of blood vessels, is the smallest water cluster in the world. Deuterium-depleted water is packed with kinetic energy and travels rapidly. The viscosity is approximately 400 times lower than the ordinary water, hence tripled the absorption effect by the human body. These small molecules can enter the bloodstream within 30 seconds, accelerating blood circulation and hence promoting better metabolism. It could be absorbed by the cells within 1 minute and continue to invigorate all the cells in the human body, rendering it capable of carrying even more nutrients minerals, and oxygen that are beneficial to the human body. Hence, improve the body's detoxification capability. Deuterium-depleted water could also function as a major emollient for the joints. It helps to prevent arthritis and back problems. It helps to reduce the chance of getting heart disease and stroke. It could return to the hematopoietic system of the bone marrow to normal, as well as prevents leukemia and lymphoma. It is capable of preventing DNA damage and empowers DNA repair mechanism to be more effective. It reduces the chances of flawed cell replication, which may cause cancerous mutation. Leya frequency modulator has gone through various stringent international assessments and tests for quality assurance. Leya frequency modulator is definitely an indispensable guardian of your health. Place your faith in this miraculous product and use it daily to regain and safeguard your well-being from the inside and out. The human body is 70% comprised of water. Hence, the water quality in the body directly affects the health of the human body. Leya frequency modulator impeccably assimilates two frequencies from structural energy and vibration energy to generate resonance energy. It is able to clear clogged blood vessels, blood stasis, and eliminate inflammation, as well as facilitate the healing of wounds. While improving the body's immunity, it also alleviates chronic diseases and sub-health problems due to metabolic dysfunction. This amazing and surreal technological discovery, never seen before in the history of mankind, has empowered Leya to create the healthier, ideal life for you and your family. Leya, a new way of living a better life.